Hello, welcome to the channel. I guess we'll call it the Little Red House channel. Many years ago, my wife and I bought this property. It's a beautiful forest on top of the mountain. And on it there was a small, little red house. And that house came with a dog. His name was Jesse. And we fell in love with him, and we wanted him, and we wanted to share our lives with him, so we bought the house. And so what we're going to try and do here is to build a garden first, something beautiful, something really beautiful with flowers and fruit trees and vegetables, but as automated as possible. Fort Knox type garden that we intend to build, and in conjunction with that, we're building this car garage. That's what triggered the garden. So we started a little car collection. We have a few cars already, and more coming, and no place to put them. But it's not like a working garage, right? We're not going to have a lot of grease and stuff in there. It's really more of an entertainment area. A racing simulator, big screen TVs, an entertainment area, games, just a place to hang out. We intend to do things like have New Year's Eve parties in there. If you're interested in cars and garages and those kinds of things, it might be fun to follow along. Our collection is humble, right? This is a poor man's car collection. I know you're looking at the Ferrari and saying, "Ha, poor man." But it's a used old Ferrari, right? It's not that expensive. And the planters, these 4 planters, are buried in the concrete, so they're kind of fake planters, the fake raised planters, because in reality there'll be trees in there. I don't know how many, numerous ones along the wall here, several big ones here, several big ones here, and then a bunch more there, a bunch more down there. I think it's like 28 planters altogether. Just a little bit more video. They're going at it really good and strong now. A couple of machines here, there's another one on its way. They're still digging. What are you doing? Oh, what do you think, babe? It's nice, right? Big difference. I've been dreaming about this for a very long time, but it was difficult. You can't do it by yourself. You need help. A lot of my fishermen buddies, they moved. So, I really didn't have any help other than my son. He was a cute little kid, just running around, bringing me a hammer or something. So, but then this happened.
Hello.
Yeah. Look at this guy. See, so now I'm the one helping him. So we're going to build this together. It'll be a father-son project. It should be fun. First thing in the spring, our irrigation guy will come over. We'll set up all the irrigation for the garden. And then we'll begin to tie all the computer systems into here. There's a lot of electronics, and they're all going to run off of the garage here. There's the irrigation system, of course, but then there's lighting and camera. We're going to have fertilizing systems that are automated. Lots of lighting. I want to have beautiful lighting at night, of course, to make it beautiful, but also I want to have gigantic spotlights at night. So, it's a winter night, it's dark, we are making dinner, we want to get some fresh vegetables. We can walk out to the garden and grab some vegetables. You have to remember we live in a forest. This is a forest. It's a mountain and a forest. And so we have interesting neighbors, like bears and coyotes, wolves, and this is their land too, so we're very happy to have them. Believe me, I love having them. I got to tell you something about bears and coyotes. They're not too concerned about their pronouns. I'd much rather have them as neighbors as some of the newfangled varmint we seem to have a lot of these days. But I digress again. I love digressing. So anyway, here we are. We don't know how you ended up here, but welcome. And if you have any ideas, please post them. We could use all the ideas in the world because we're clueless. We have no idea what we're doing, but we're going to learn. And so any comments, any help you can get, any leads you can give us, please let us know. Thank you for stopping by. Cheers.